Hi, Melvin. So this is Gianna. I'm looking at your website here. It looks like you have some. I don't know. Is that a real phone number? 123 doesn't look like a real area code to me. Um, I like the colors. I like the logo. I like the name, Free Download Nation. Let's see. Okay, if you click on the logo, you want to be able to go back to the home button. There it is. Okay, home. Um, this image looks like school, like elementary school. Um, and the headline, "We are going to be friends for a long, long time." I'm not sure what that's supposed to be about. I really feel like this needs to be a call to action for Free Download Nation. What is Free Download Nation about? I would change the image to something else. Um, Products just says click here with a picture. No idea what that's about. Not going to click. Loot for leads. I don't like that these three images don't look like they have anything to do with each other. They look like completely different brands, which I'm sure they are. If I were you, I would choose some images that you can put in each of these things that look consistent, and then put some type here that is more like this one. It's identifying a story, a reason to want to click. This is the only one that makes me want to click. It's asking me to watch a presentation about something. It's giving me the story of why should I click here. I would change these click here's to learn more or something that is less, click here. Click here, why? Why do I want to click there? Start earning daily revenue like a master CPA affiliate. We deliver exactly what need to start making money online today. That needs to be rewritten. Bad grammar. Maybe move this image up here with this message, and also this. Just move that all the way to the top. Maybe just get rid of this block and then have products at the below that. So yeah, you can easily do that in GrooveFunnels. You just click on that block and there's a little handle here that appears, and you can just drag things up. Download what? Why? Why am I giving you my name and email address? What am I getting? So if this form is associated more with this message, you could remove the word download here, have the word get started or something where it says send. So it's start earning daily revenue like a master CPA affiliate, get started. I might actually put my information in there. Get rid of this download. And then you need to think more about this paragraph. Just put a period here. We deliver exactly what need to start making money, like learn how to da 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 da. You know, quick in our e-course. Free Download Nation take about 5 weeks to complete. We offer hours. Again, really bad grammar. This needs to be rewritten. Main Street, USA, or whatever. That needs to be a real address somewhere. Or just take it off. Like if you're not going to have, people aren't going to come to your location, I would just delete that. If that's a real phone number, leave it. If it's not, take it off if you really don't want people to call you for any reason. You're going to get spammed if you have your email address sitting there like that. I would just have it more hidden. I would just get rid of this contact us. Just get rid of that. Let's see. Do these really go someplace? Okay, you don't have a Twitter account. You don't have a Facebook page. So I'm assuming you don't have these either. You really need to make those accounts and link them back to this website. And actually that's really good for your SEO as well. Yeah, you really just need your call to action. What is free download nation? Why should I opt into it? What do I get if I do? Like, make that what this homepage is about. And like, maybe take this about off and put this information over here on that homepage. Let's read this. With affiliate marketing, you can really work anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. This training program will provide you with all the templates and live examples that you need to succeed in CPA marketing. Okay, somebody who is talking about affiliate marketing and CPA marketing might not know the difference. Maybe just get rid of that and just say to succeed. Most CPA affiliates are chasing campaigns and losing their ad accounts constantly. We train on how to build a more stable online business while still enjoying the high ROI that CPA marketing can bring you. So unless CPA marketing and CPA affiliates are keywords you're trying to reach out to people for, I would just say something like, learn how to build a stable online business and enjoy the high ROI, enjoy a high return on investment or something. Our advanced white hat and gray hat marketing tactics for list building, branding, authority, site creation, and paid traffic strategies will help you gain a more advanced understanding of how the entire performance marketing really industry works. Again, bad grammar, really bad paragraph. I think talking about white hat and gray hat makes people wonder, like, I mean, it's confusing to someone who's brand new if you're trying to attract a newbie into this program, they're going to be like questioning what's white hat, what's gray hat, are they saying? I would just say, here's what you're going to learn. Advanced marketing tactics for list building, branding, authority site creation, and paid traffic strategies. That's it. Once you get inside, you get all the landing pages, ads, campaign settings, website strategies, affiliate network access, and industry updates inside the forum. Again, bad paragraph, inside. It's like duplicate, but not really telling me anything. So I would just add those as another bullet points. You'll get landing pages, you'll get ads, you'll get campaign settings, you'll get website strategies, you'll get affiliate network access, you'll get industry updates. I think that you just need to add those as actual, like, what do you get, and then just list all those things below as bullet points. We take about 5 weeks to complete. You take 5 weeks to complete what? Or they're going to take 5 weeks to learn this? We offer hours of high-quality video training and written content designed to take you from absolute scratch to owning a highly valuable web property. Again, I would change this paragraph. It's bad grammar. I would put that up in the what they're going to get stuff. The training program consists of high-quality video and written content designed to take you from newbie to success story. We always have ongoing live case studies and webinars to ensure you are always getting the most relevant. Again, really bad grammar, always. You just don't want to keep those repetitive phrases. Again, put these things like up in the bullet points. You get under the you're gonna get, or the training consists of part, like you'll get live case studies and webinars, live webinars, live case studies every week or something, so people know what they're actually going to get. Okay, about us, free download nation consists of these things. A phone number that's not real, another phone number that looks not real. Yeah, get rid of those things in this footer. I wouldn't put this information down in the footer unless it's some information that's contributing to your keyword SEO. So like if you have some keyword SEO that is going to help with, then maybe do that. So I'd move some of this about stuff. I'd get rid of the about page and just put it in the front page as part of describing what this is. So make this front page more of a sales page. Maybe take these products, and if you have, if you're going to list them, don't just, instead of distracting from what you're trying to get people to do, which is opt into this Free Download Nation training program, I think that is what you want. You want to build this list, get people to opt in. Then you're going to need to focus on this part of your page and get this stuff away from the distraction. Programs. Okay, I delete that link if it's just putting people down there. I'd just get rid of that link in the navigation. Get rid of the about navigation. Get rid of the contact navigation. That's fine. You can have that. But again, take the email address out. Make them use the send to email you. Just delete that out of there. You don't want that on your site. You don't want that on your site. Take this stuff out of this top bar. We deliver only the best. Only the best what? You know, that's a kind of a tagline that doesn't tell me anything, and you can't prove it to me. So unless you can prove it, don't say it. Products, since this is not on its own page and it's just a link down through the page, I would remove it from navigation or make a products page, throw this stuff over on your products page, and then give me like a paragraph under each one of these pictures of what that is, why you recommend it. If the best thing you could do about the things you're recommending would be to do little short YouTube videos where you walk through people what they're going to get in this product and why you recommend it. Same thing with this product and same thing with this product. And then have those YouTube videos link back to Free Download Nation. Have that be on your Free Download Nation YouTube channel. And then, have your own videos. And you don't have to like put your face on there. You can do what I'm doing right now and just do like a screen recording of what people get when they log into Free Download Nation. What do I get when I click here? Going to another page. It's very slow to load. Exclusive deal for powerful affiliate. So is this the training program that you're trying to promote through Free Download Nation? That's confusing. I'm confused. So yeah, I think you really need to make sure that, that's a good picture, but products, maybe you say, I don't know, I just kind of remove these. If you're promoting these things, I would, yeah, this one looks really old-fashioned and strange to me, like super old. And so it's this one. The number one secret. Okay, this is like the secret in a video.
Hi, I'm Heather Matthews. Now I'd like to ask you a very important
34-minute video. Okay, so think what I would do with these things that you're trying to promote to is maybe make Free Download Nation this main thing that you're promoting, which is a training program. So take this information from this training program page and use that as your kind of copy some of this as your sales page. So as your Free Download Nation basically becomes that information. And then, and then when they give you when they opt in, make your thank you page go here. So like go thank you for asking for more information. Here's how to build here's the link, the direct link to go get this information, and then have that link take them to this page. And then they can decide to join right through. That's what I would do. Because this looks good. And now that I'm seeing this, and if this powerhouse affiliate is your best offer, or it's really what most of Free Download Nation is going to be about, I would try to maybe make this powerhouse affiliate, like take this logo and stick it down in here and say you're like a powerhouse affiliate program or something down here, so that people know that this is you. This is the training program that you are talking about. And then these other programs, maybe just make them links in your footer, but make it make it like loot for leads. Oh, I hate that name so much. It's just so corny. Yeah, this looks so old. I don't know if I'd want to promote that on your main page just because it looks cheesy. I would make a separate page